I'm Ng Tu Ting from Class 1K2 of 2021. Here are 3 single words to describe my Kranji experience. Grow. At Kranji, I grow and learn at my own pace. When I first joined Kranji as a new Sec 1 student, I was given ample time to adapt to the new environment. I felt welcomed by my seniors and teachers during orientation. They would be my listening ear when I faced problems. With them around, I could adapt and grow at my own pace. The teachers were very patient while teaching us throughout the term in order for us to understand the new concepts. Bloom. At Kranji, I am given opportunities to bloom in my own unique way. Kranji provides different activities suited for students, which help us learn in a way that is comfortable for us. For example, together with a group of fellow Sec 1 Kranjians, I was given a chance to try out for the Student Council. We were shortlisted as nominees and were assigned a school improvement project. As a team, we had to work together to complete our plan and implement it. Our project was a virtual calming room that eventually got featured on the MOE Facebook page. From this experience, I gained a lot of experience and developed valuable skills. Kranji also has a wide selection of school-created programs, school-initiated learning projects for us to pick from, allowing us to explore and pursue our own passion. Flourish. Kranji develops me holistically and guides me towards being the best version of myself. Kranji gives me opportunities to improve, learn from others, and be the best version of myself. One example is the sharing session with Mary Stella, where I shared a poem I created. It was a wonderful opportunity for me to improve my poem that I created. Through various meaningful group assignments or projects that we are given at Kranji, I have learned the importance of teamwork. Group goals can only be achieved with the group's collaborative efforts. Working in groups has enabled me to think from my teammates' perspective and to have more empathy for their needs and concerns. I have also learned the importance of brainstorming and discussion to sieve out the best ideas. An idea would not materialize without the efforts put in by my teammates. I have learned that all of us have our own strengths and weaknesses. As teammates, we work together, tap on each and one another's capabilities, and learn from one another. I have also learned to be more open-minded to different ideas and opinions. To achieve shared goals efficiently and effectively, proper planning and execution of plans is critical success factors. I am confident that I'll continue to grow, bloom, and flourish at Kranji. I look forward to more enriching and exciting experience at Kranji that has to offer.
Hello parents and students, I am Lu Zi'en from class 3K4 of 2021. The 3 words that I will use to describe my unique Kranji experience are holistic, enriching, and memorable. Kranji has provided me with a holistic education which enables me to do well and discover my talents and interests. My teachers make their lessons interactive and engaging using multimedia teaching methods such as the use of our personal learning devices and learning journeys. They also care for the well-being of their students and try to get to know us through class mentor time. Kranji offers many opportunities for students to develop their leadership skills as student counselors, house leaders, CCA leaders, or peer support leaders. Furthermore, there are many programs for students to discover their interests beyond the academic subjects such as the Youth Science Ambassador Program, Climate Action Conference, Kranji Green Ambassador, etc. All the above have made my experience in Kranji an enriching one. With so many programs and opportunities for us beyond the classroom, my Kranji experience does not only consist of sitting at my desk and listening to my teachers teach. I am able to learn and apply the knowledge and skills that I've acquired in a real-world context. Hence, These experiences, together with the relationships I have built with the people whom I work and interact with at Kranji, will be memorable to me. I believe that the experiences that I have gained, as well as the lessons that I have learned, will guide me for many years to come. Of course, I cannot forget to mention my fellow Kranjians who have helped me through the ups and downs of secondary school life. As the Vice President of the Student Council, I have learned that prioritizing tasks and time management are important skills. I am responsible for overseeing the planning of events. I also guide my fellow Student Council members in carrying out their duties and assigned tasks, which are over and beyond regular schoolwork and homework. At the start of the year, I was unable to plan my time well. As such, my grades suffered. However, through the guidance of my teachers and time management skills that I have learned from workshops conducted by the school, I was able to manage my time more effectively. Good time management has enabled me to do well academically. Not only do I have sufficient time for my studies and school activities, I am able to spend quality time with my friends and family. Overall, I am very thankful for the many opportunities that Kranji has offered me to learn and grow, and the memories that I have made with my friends and teachers in the school. My Kranji experience will forever hold a special place in my heart.
Hello, good morning. My name is Shopti Yotish and I am from class 2K3 of 2021. My Kranji experience is so rich and diverse that I find it challenging to describe it with only 3 words. But if I have to, I'll use the words thinker, leader, and champion to sum up my Kranji experience so far. These 3 words have imbued in me the desirable qualities of a Kranjian. Throughout my 2 years in Kranji, my fellow Kranjians and myself have been closely guided and well supported in our quest to become truly a thinker, leader, and a champion. Starting with thinker, Kranji has provided me with many opportunities to develop the qualities that a thinker should possess. For example, I have been taught to think and learn in many different ways, other than the traditional pen and paper mode, through interactive lessons with the use of our personal learning devices or PLDs. Kranji has also provided me with the opportunities to participate in competitions such as the Singapore Math Olympiad and Singapore Kangaroo Math Contest, which have challenged me to think out of the box. Next, Kranji aims to be the leader in all Kranjians. Kranji has taught me many qualities of leader even without me officially being a leader in any CCA or student council. I am a subject rep in my class thanks to the school's efforts in striving to give all Kranjians leadership opportunities. Being a student rep has taught me how to handle assigned tasks well and be responsible in carrying out my duties. I have contributed towards enhancing the communication between the teachers and my classmates. Such leadership opportunities have enabled me to develop my leadership skills, and I am prepared to overcome any challenges that I might face as a student leader. Lastly, Kranji instills in us the champion mindset. I am given opportunities to be a champion who not only strives for excellence in all that I do, but also to champion causes that I am passionate about. For instance, I have been involved in championing causes such as environmental issues and mental well-being through programs such as the Eco Bazaar and mental health awareness activities. Not only that, I have been given opportunities to represent Kranji in competitions and events, which were an eye-opener for me and now allowed me to grow as a person. Valuable lessons that Kranji has taught me are to never give up in the face of difficulties and to be myself when others don't agree with me. There have been times when I felt stressed and faced difficulties, especially when it was nearing the examination period. In Sec 1, due to the sudden increase in the number of subjects, I was overwhelmed and didn't know how to cope with the heavy schoolwork. However, with the help of support and from my classmates and teachers, I was able to push through and do well for my examinations. Kranji has taught me to voice my opinions confidently, even though not everyone may agree with me. I used to be hesitant to speak up, but with constant encouragement and practice, I have learned to stand my ground and articulate my views clearly and with conviction. Kranji has provided many opportunities for me to grow and blossom. I look forward to more exciting learning opportunities at Kranji. Thank you all for listening.